Hey guys, how you doing? We're just going to do a little video today to show how we do our color treatment on stamped concrete. So this is what's known as a seamless stamp. It's probably a little less common than the typical pattern stamp you've seen. So we basically used seamless texture skins just to put like a slate stone texture in it. You can see it's just kind of textured like a piece of stone. Once the stain goes on, that texture will jump out even more. So we just got everything clean. We kind of taped off some areas that we needed to. We're going to use a paint shield to keep everything off the brick here. And yeah, we'll just show you kind of how we do it. Okay, so we went ahead and stained all the areas that required a paint shield. So this is just kind of our process. We use a water-based acrylic color. I'm just going to go through here and go in circular patterns. When I stain, I try not to do it, back and forth like I'm mowing the lawn, because, if there's overlap there or an inconsistency, you're going to notice that right away. So I kind of do it in random patterns. So if it's a little darker one place or another, it just basically looks like natural inflection in the color of the stone. After I do this one time, I'm going to go back over it once it's dried, and if there's some light areas, I'll probably lightly hit the whole thing again and just try to even everything out. Not a whole lot to it. You just got to know kind of the basics of how to do it. Alright, it's kind of hard to show this in process because there's only two of us here, but Casey's down here holding this cardboard shield, and I'm just coming through with the sprayer with a darker version of the brown and just hitting around that border. Do the rest of this here. Okay, so we put down one coat of sealer, and now we're putting down the second coat. I basically use this Chapin industrial sprayer. It works really good and fast. You can also do it with a paint roller. Super easy. So I'm basically just kind of going two different directions, kind of overlapping where I've already been. I've already cut in here around the sides. Hard to see where you are sometimes. I always try to keep it pumped. There's a lot of pressure. You get a more even coat that way. The sealer I use is just Concrtete CSS Vintage Emulsion. It's just a medium solids acrylic sealer. It works really well. You don't want to put it on too thick, because if you do, the top of it will dry as a film, but then there's still liquid underneath that's got to escape, and sometimes you get bubbles. So you want to just put it just thick enough to where you're getting even coverage. Okay, so here's the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to color stamped concrete. If you are in the Houston area and you're interested in doing something like this in your property, I'd be happy to come by and give you a quote. You can reach us at 832-613-5667. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks again.